Okay, Andrew. So, from what you're saying, let me just get rid of this. I can't get rid of this. Okay. From what you're saying, your menu looks like this. And if you want to go into dictate mode, you go into home, the menu drops down, you come across, you click dictate, it beeps, you'll then start saying words, and as you can see, it starts appearing the text, and then when you want to stop that, you have to then go back onto the home tab and come across and click dictate, and that then stops it. The idea, this applies to all Microsoft Office products, is to give you some more, to use Microsoft jargon, real estate on your desktop by hiding the ribbon. I find that incredibly irritating because I like to have the buttons to hand when I can use them. So if you click on the home tab, but you can do it on any tab, move across to the right hand side, you can see this little pin button. If you actually when you hold it, you can do Control and F1, as you can see there in the little help. Like saying the ribbon, keep it open while you work. So if you click that button, you'll lose a bit of space, but it's never massively impacted on me as far as ever using the products. The one other thing, a new thing which they've come up with, which you may also see that also I think gets in the way. I've got a fairly extensive quick access toolbar here, but one of the buttons is this one, which is called the touch mouse mode. At the moment, I've got it set to mouse mode. Excuse me. One of the options where after a recent update, it automatically went into it, which was the touch mode, which looks like that and sort of spreads things out because in case you're using a touch screen for them. I don't like that, even though I know what some of these buttons mean. I prefer it the old-fashioned way. So I have it in mouse mode even when I'm using it, my computer as a tablet. You may or may not get that depending whether yours is a tablet or not. But as I say, the key one is across here. When I've got it pinned, I then have this little upward pointing arrow which collapses the ribbon. If you're struggling for a bit of space, down the bottom right hand corner, just out of shot at the moment, there's a scroll bar where you can actually increase or decrease the magnification of your detail. Anyway, hope that helps and gets you your menus. And as I say, it applies to Excel and PowerPoint and Outlook and everything as well. Cheers.